Two type of water actually, right? You have the living water and the dead water. Like the water you see on. Now if you want to know what is going on in your life using water, get water, pray on, put salt inside that water, pray on it, put your heart inside that bowl, put the water in a bowl. One thing you can do with water is that fresh water, okay, whether you're a water element or any element at all, you have water flowing in you. Most percent of your body is made up of water, right? So get water, put water in a plate, right? Living water, please, not dead water. I've explained this type of water. Get a living water, put your hand.
I have the gift of singing. That's what people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, anything is possible.
Guys, in this video we'll be looking at the powers of water and how to harmonize and use those powers of water. You have to understand, so sometimes you see people go to rivers. See, let me tell you the truth, right? Anybody pray with nature, don't joke with that thing. Nature, right? Don't joke with anybody pray with nature. I don't condemn whatever you believe in, hold it, but don't condemn what others do, especially those people that pray using nature. Okay, in this video I'm going to be teaching you the powers of water and how you can use these powers of water to do almost everything you want. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, you just watch and go. Like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important videos from me. Who there is Zuzu? Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. We have two types of water actually, right? We have the living water and the dead water. Like the water you see on the stream, the water you see in the river, the water you see from your well, any water from any natural place, right? That water is living and you have the ability to absorb all your spoken winds. Then you see those water, those processed water, like the water from your borehole, the water from maybe like all those sachet water, bottled water, so they are not living water. That water is dead. Now, let me explain something for you. You see water, right? Water is one of the most strongest elements on earth. I repeat, water is one of the most strongest elements on earth. So we have people, we have the water element, we have the fire element, we have the air, we have the earth, okay? But among all, water is the only element that can survive any environment of the rest. In the environment where there's water, right, fire cannot survive. But in the environment where there's fire, water can survive in that environment. So water is one of the most strongest of all the elements. That's why you don't joke with those ones that are water elements. Now, coming back to what today's class is all about, I'm going to teach you the powers of water and how you can use them. One of the power of water is purification. Spiritually, what you don't want, like that, what you don't want, right? You can use water to remove it and destroy it. Now, let me explain. You see water, right? Looking at water, one thing you can do with water is that fresh water, okay, whether you're a water element or any element at all, you have water flowing in you. Most percent of your body is made up of water, right? So get water, put water in a plate, right? Living water, please, not dead water. I've explained this type of water. Get a living water, put your hand, your right palm, and if where you put water your whole hand cannot enter, put your middle finger, place your hand on that water at night. Place that water, spray everything you want in your life, how you want it. Because you see, water possesses the ancient wisdom that nobody is yet to even understand. Place your hand on water, pray on that water everything you want in your life and how you want that thing to be. When you are done praying on that water, keep that water under your bed. Then the next day, the morning, pray on that water again, everything you want in your life and how you want everything to be. Then sip from that water, mix the remaining water and take your bath with it. Mix the remaining one with your bathing water and take your bath with it. That's number one way you can harmonize, use the power of water. Another way to use water is, I've made a video on this. Another way to use water is that maybe if you are in urgent need, you need something urgently. First of all, put salt in water and take a bath, spiritual bath to purify yourself. Then 3 a.m. at night, wake up, read Psalm 121 121 times. Read Psalm 121 121 times. On water, hold water in a plate or in a cup. Pray on it, read Psalm 121 121 times. When you are done reading Psalm 121 121 times, pray that thing that is disturbing you. Pray how you want everything to be. When you are done making that prayer, okay, drink that water. Use the remaining water to wash your head and your face, wash your hand. Probably if you can take your bath, mix the remaining water, take your bath with it. Another way you can make use of water is this. If you are the kind of person that you always forget your dreams, you always forget your dreams, or you want to know what is going on in your life. Now, if you want to know what is going on in your life using water, get water. Pray on, put salt inside that water, pray on it, put your hand inside that bowl, put the water in a bowl, like a plate where your hand can fit in. Pray on it. I want to know where my problem is coming from. I want to have revelations about my life, especially rainwater or any other living water. Don't use any dead water. Rainwater or any other living water. Put it on it. Keep it under your bed or beside your bed where you are keeping your head. Within several days, you will have dream of whatever that is happening in your life. You will have revelations about it. Or maybe you always forget your dreams. Anytime you want to sleep, pray on water. Drink it out water. Anytime you want to sleep, it should be the last thing you do. Don't talk to anybody. Doing this will help you remember your dream most. So there are some easy and small things you can do with water, and believe me, you see everything will turn around. See, water has water has this power to absorb your spoken word. It has this power to manifest any spoken words, because even you yourself, you are made up of water. So you have, every human being has this connection with water. So you praying using water most all the time can solve a lot of problems for you. Like you need anything, you want to make a prayer, just get water, pray on that water, drink it, or use it to wash your head, or if you want to pray for anybody, pray on water, give it to that person. That water helps to manifest your energy as fast as possible. So try this little trick as I told you, and if you find this video helpful, this is this year. I was born with the gift of seeds. That's what people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solution. If you find this helpful, do what to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss another important video from me. Who is Zuzu? Let me know in the comment section the part that caught your attention the most. Bye for now.